Alright, it doesn't really matter at all. Why am I lagging so
I
bad?
got Brian Five King to say the bottle of water, and he's actually British.
He's British?
Yeah, like I got him to say bottle of water, and he's actually British.
That's fun.
Bro!
Bro, go faster!
I can't
And
go
then he
faster,
started
I'm
screaming.
lagging! Woo.
You stop like every 2 seconds.
Yeah, bro. Help me! Help! I'm not lagging anymore if I look up.
Hey, where are you guys?
Yo, why does my
I'm
boat
done
look like it's
mining. I have like
Wait,
8 diamonds.
my boat actually has arms and tentacles. Bro, it looks like plankton. If you click F5, your boat looks like, and if you look up and click F5, it looks like plankton.
Fun.
Why does my boat actually look like plankton? What is this? Okay, I have to stop doing that now.
Why don't you look forwards to boat? Like you don't even know where you're going.
Where are you? It's,
Thank
oh. I forgot I had F11 on. What are you doing to your cats? Oh, you know what? Never mind.
They're
I
like,
need help.
I was gonna choose a favorite cat and just take that one, but I decided not to. It's not.
Alright.
The cords.
Send me the cords 1 second. Yeah, let's just wait for Diamond until he comes here
A boat.
in a boat. Yeah. He's like 800 miles away or something. Bro, look at Plankton. Yeah, never mind. Never mind.
No.
I'm still lagging like freaking crazy, but it's not laggy anymore. It's not that laggy. Yeah, no, it's not that laggy. Yeah, you're right. It's not that laggy.
You're getting close.
Getting close. I don't have a map at all.
That's sad.
I don't even know, bro.
I'm
I'm
not.
looting a shipwreck right now.
Guys, make sure to subscribe. Just you see something? Well, what do you see? That's a squid.
Do you want a map?
Oh.
Yeah. So you can see somebody is green in their post, and I think that's Diamond.
Somebody's green?
Yeah,
Must be Diamond.
I think so.
Or it's Matt the W King.
Yo, why is it that green? Why is it green like that?
I don't know.
Yeah, let's head over to him.
Are you sure it's Diamond?
Yeah, let's head over to him. If he's not at spawn, then
Are you
I'm gonna kick him. And I'm gonna be scared.
Stop! We're close. I think we're going the wrong way, but I don't know if we are.
Okay, so Diamond is going that way. So he's going the wrong way.
Diamond.
Diamond! Diamond, that's the wrong way! You're not at spawn.
I don't know who's who at this point.
That's Matthew.
No!
That's Matthew!
Mom! Diamond! Why are you so far?
Why are you so far away?
Nightmare, why is he that far?
Yo, I swear, if Matthew. Matthew!
Diamond, you're like a million blocks away.
Why are you here? No, let's go!
I hit him out.
Alright, we're finally going somewhere.
Where are we going?
Like, I'm surprised your cat didn't break yet.
Where are we going? Are we going to Diamond or?
We're going to Diamond and we're gonna kill Matthew.
You want to kill Matthew? Then kill him.
But like, he's gonna steal my boat.
Then I'll kill him. I have a boat. Let me hit him. Stay still.
He's gonna get in your boat. Oh, I forgot.
That was an absolute waste of time.
Oh my god. Why is he dying?
The shipwreck.
The dolphins hitting him. Duh.
Yeah. He
It had a
he hit
treasure
the
map, which
dolphins.
I went to the treasure, and I literally got one heart of the sea, one water breathing, and like full chain. I thought it would be so much better than that, bro.
We're like moving 0.1
Oh,
mile per
there-
hour. I found a shipwreck. That's not a shipwreck. That's a bone. That's a bone structure. Wait, is that a bone structure?
I don't even know where you went. Oh, you're right there.
That's a bone structure.
I think that Nightmare, you're just gonna steal your
That's
boat.
a bone structure. Okay, that's a bone structure. That is so rare.
Is it?
Kill Matthew.
Me?
Yeah, to find fossils, that's like really rare.
Yo, it's rare because it's.
Are we going to get diamond?
We're going to get diamond.
And we're going the right way, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, we are.
Diamante.
No.
No,
We're
but
not.
actually, so far, yes, so close. Like, man, Diamond. Bro, there's a whole ocean monument.
Yeah, I saw it,
There's 2 beach shipwrecks.
like,
There's a whole ocean monument, though.
Oh yeah,
Yo,
I
this-
was there.
Yo, this is epic.
Yeah, it is.
Epic.
Oh, wait.
When I click F11, I don't lag, so I'm just gonna do that freely.
Why are you building sideways? We're almost there.
Oh, I found a shipwreck. Did he go there?
Boat? No.
No boat. Like, why are you so far away?
I found 2 trees.
Man, bro's like happy because he found some trees. All I have is an iron hoe in my offhand. Not offhand, my hand. I don't even have
I'm right
a tree.
off that. I'm where you are, but in your life, I'm not. Oh,
Diamond?
I can.
You're
No,
at diamond level? I don't even know where diamond is.
No, I see diamond. Hello.
Are you guys in a cave?
Ugh. She found me.
I did.
Are you in a cave or something? Like, where are your coordinates?
No.
In the middle of the water.
Where are your coordinates? Bro. Damn it! Nice! I found you!
Found trees.
Welcome.
Oh my god! Yo, why is there that's actually super rare! Wait, no, that's actually super rare! What the?
Diamond has.
Alright, Matt is getting killed. Matt, you're being assassinated. Matt!
That's sad.
Matt! Where's Matt?
Oh, you wanna get on the trees?
Dude, that's so good.
Oh!
Can we live out here?
I'm going on the tree and I'm gonna dig straight down.
I'm gonna get up.
No, don't destroy the trees. These are relics.
For real.
6. Player view. 1 of
Oh,
first bed.
Tom, please help me.
I don't feel like it.
Yo, if somebody comes down here, I'm actually screwed.
Why? Why are you screwed? Oh, okay.
What the?
I don't trust anybody.
Why?
Here's somebody's gonna kill my cat.
Oh, I dug into deep slate. Great.
Go to flags.
Great. My pickaxe is now. Oh!
Why don't we just use cheats, Nightmare?
Anyways, make sure to subscribe and subscribe.